So in this Freecash tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to make real money by playing dice streams here on Freecash. So once Freecash is opened up, go to the bottom left, press on earn. Once you guys are on the earn page right here, just scroll down until you come across the offer right here of Dice Streams iOS. So if you were to go ahead and download this and play it, you can earn up to $1,048. Now how you exactly can earn the money, and this by the way is real money, is I'll show you guys right now. So if you guys download the app right here and you were to scroll down, if you complete the game and progress through the game, you can earn different, real money at different points. So for example here, if you were to complete Kingdom 40 within 11 days, you can get $23. And if you keep scrolling down, the farther that you make it and the more that you complete, the more actual money that you make. So for example here, if you were to play on 7 different days, you earn yourself 6 cents, which is pretty simple to do, pretty much easy money at this point. If you were to level up daily, you can earn 1 cent. If you were to go ahead and complete Kingdom 1 within 90 days, you can earn 1 cent, etc. So if you download this game and you just simply play it over time, you can earn up to $1,048 of real money. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can make real money by playing dice streams here on Freecash. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.